Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the latest tech products. Today, we're diving into the world of portable monitors with the INNOCN 13A1F. This surprisingly affordable monitor features a crisp OLED panel that delivers deep colors and impressive contrast. Let's find out if its low price comes with any drawbacks. At first glance, the INNOCN 13A1F bears a striking resemblance to Apple products with its thin frame and sleek metallic edges. Its gunmetal shell gives it a premium look. And while it does have inner borders, the bottom strip is slightly thicker than the others. One of the standout features of this monitor is its compact size, making it highly portable. It easily slips into most bags unnoticed, and weighing just 1.30 pounds, it won't add much weight to your laptop bag. The monitor features basic buttons for its OSD, which are easy to use, especially when holding the display. While some models opt for a scroll wheel. The use of buttons is practical, particularly for users with larger or sweaty fingers. However, it would be great to have the option to control settings directly from your laptop's OS. The magnetic kickstand is another highlight of the INNOCN 13A1F, ensuring the monitor stays securely in place. It offers tilting adjustments for optimal viewing angles, while a more adjustable alternative would be desirable. Non-VESA mounts for small screens like this are not widely available. The INNOCN 13A1F comes equipped with built-in speakers, which can be useful for gaming while traveling. However, the sound quality is not on par with dedicated gaming speakers. If you're using the monitor with a laptop, it's recommended to rely on your computer's built-in speakers for better audio performance. Despite its 1080p resolution, the INNOCN 13A1F provides a great viewing experience thanks to its OLED panel. The display is crisp and detailed, making it suitable for various tasks. However, its smaller size may not be ideal as a primary display for some users. The INNOCN 13A1F covers an impressive 100% of the sRGB, 96% of the Adobe RGB, and 95% of the DCI-P3 color gamuts. While its default accuracy may not be the best for editing work, it's within reasonable limits for a wide gamut display. When it comes to brightness, OLED panels tend to be dimmer compared to other panel types. The measured brightness of the INNOCN 13A1F was around 171.8 candelas M2. But it's important to note that the Spider Elite underreported the actual brightness. The monitor's contrast ratio, peaking at 171,530:1, delivers excellent performance in dark scenes and appreciable HDR capabilities. Panel uniformity on our test sample was excellent, with no perceivable variances from edge to edge. The small color difference of 3% is unlikely to be visible in regular usage. However, keep in mind that panel uniformity can vary between units due to manufacturing tolerances. Thanks to its OLED panel, the INNOCN 13A1F exhibits minimal blurring, offering a smooth visual experience. Although limited to 60 Hz, it still delivers satisfying performance for casual gaming. While the INNOCN 13A1F lacks FreeSync and G-Sync compatibility, it's important to remember that this portable monitor is primarily designed for productivity rather than gaming. Input lag feels comparable to monitors in the 10 milliseconds to 20 milliseconds range, ensuring a responsive experience. In conclusion, the INNOCN 13A1F is an affordable portable monitor that excels in color reproduction and contrast. With its impressive OLED panel, it outperforms many IPS alternatives, including premium options. The monitor's build quality is commendable, making it a solid choice even at its budget-friendly price. That wraps up our review of the INNOCN 13A1F. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.